That shit.
I can catch a breather with it.
Yeah, do it over the garbage can so it catches the smoke.
You know, favorite, you lock that, close that door and lock it.
You can't do it with wind?
Close it and lock it. Thank you. What?
The back time you come, you gotta come off.
Oh no, shit, you'll lock.
We basically have to take apart most of the engine.
This is the front part.
So,
Just the front half.
that inner tip is like 2-3 inches long.
Ooh, no. Hard to get this back
Look at that,
side.
smoking like it's fucking crack. God damn. Trying to give me the Jones. Somebody that you used to know.
What you doing, bro?
I was doing a Carlos training video.
This shit is copyright, motherfucker.
This is personal use, educational use. There's a copyright thing for that. I
Look at that.
Oh, that shit just touched me.
Look at that shit.
I got the fire a little too close to it, but I think I got it. Find out right now.
Look at this way. Don't put me to the life.
I think I got it. Look at that.
CNC machine, Carlos.
Like that shit, bro?
So you're rebuilding it? I have it right here.
Oh,
You're
oh,
supposed to bring it to
oh. Hey, training video complete, man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's not my fault. They brought it today. What do you want me to do?
He
about
just
it?
burned his hand. Yeah, that.
You want me to kiss it, make it better?
Okay, Mike. Are you recording right now?
Yeah, you better not say it.
It's for educational purposes.
How much was that line?
I don't know. It's like $23 our cost or something like that.
That's it?
That's why I told you I ordered a new one. I think he's about to shake me.
I mean, if the line was $23, it's costing more for me
Yeah,
to
I know.
rebuild.
That's why I told you
Yeah.
I would just order a new
My
one.
shit.
But you.
Hey, I burned
Don't wanna
my.
listen.
You still recording?
Yeah.